In this video, we will see how to change your desktop wallpaper on macOS. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. Let's get started. To change your wallpaper, you just need to right click on anywhere on your desktop and there is an option called Change Wallpaper. You can click on that and then it will give you the options. There is another way as well. So if I close this one, you need to click on Apple logo, click on System Settings, and under System Settings just scroll down till Wallpaper. Both ways are the same. So once you are in wallpaper, you can select from different range from the wallpaper ideas. If you want to have the dynamic wallpaper, you can choose one of them listed here. Dynamic wallpaper changes according to time. So for example, if this Catalina is selected, there are three modes given. So when the light is there, it will look like this, and if in the dark mode it will look like this, and if you keep on the dynamic one it will change automatically throughout the day. If you want to have your own photo as the wallpaper, you need to add the photo here by clicking on add photo. Let me show you how to add the photo to your wallpaper photos. So you have to select your photo and click the choose photo. Once you select the photo, it will automatically appear on your wallpaper. You can also change just by changing the photo in your photos. If you want to have again the dynamic wallpaper, just click on the dynamic wallpaper and whichever you want to have, like Catalina, just select that and select the option that you wanted to have. If you want to have the dynamic, you just need to select the dynamic. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.